Something about like all the different products on my shelf right now that just make me so happy. So I'm gonna make some tea and hopefully get all the energy. I don't know where that came from. We sold out of our like business check-in notepads. If you guys want to know what tea I like to use in the afternoons, I'm very excited about this launch. There was a video game that released at midnight, so James wanted to stay up and play it. Good morning, friends. Happy Vlogtober Day 13. Happy Vlogtober Day 13. Today is Tuesday the 12th, and I am just sipping on my coffee. I did the thumbnail for the video. I had already edited it. I did that last night because, funny story, there was a video game that released at midnight, so James wanted to stay up and play it. So we were basically up until 2. I know I don't have to stay up with him, but I do. And so I was like, I'm just going to take this time to actually edit all of the video. So I basically edited all of it last night. So I just watched it through. I'm rendering it out. I did the thumbnail, so we are good. I'm running slow today just because we did stay up so late, but at least I had that done, so I didn't have to worry about it this morning. And I can just spend all afternoon designing stuff. It's gonna be a good Tuesday. I am excited. So we sold out of our like business check-in notepads, and I'm really excited about that. I love when things sell out. I love knowing that you guys are loving the things that I'm purchasing for the shop. So let me know if you guys want to see this come back. They actually have a different color scheme that I could get, but if you want to see it come back in the shop, let me know. I actually have a bunch of stuff in my cart from this supplier, and I'm so excited that I'm just like, I just want to buy it now. But obviously I'm gonna wait until Friday's launch to see how all of that goes, and if there's anything that I need to restock or, you know, all of that fun stuff. So I'm not buying it yet, but there's so many things that I'm just like, I'm ready to bring to the shop, and I'm really excited. So yeah, so exciting. And I've had so many of you guys reach out about the notebooks that are releasing on Friday and the pins that are releasing on Friday, and I'm really, really excited because I feel like you guys are really excited about this launch, and it just makes me happy. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited about Friday's launch, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. But if you guys are interested in the notebooks or the pins or the washi that I showed in Vlogtober, I don't remember what day. It's a couple days back. But if you guys are interested in that stuff, it's gonna be up Friday at noon Eastern. So I never know how these things are gonna go. I never know if stuff's gonna sell out or if it's gonna be a while before it sells out or what the deal is. But I definitely recommend trying to get it like right when it goes live, just because I can't guarantee that I'll have any in stock later, you know. And I also sometimes can restock some stuff, but I also don't have that guarantee because I buy it from someone else. And so if they're out of stock, then I can't get it. So yeah, I do my best. You know, I have been able to restock some stuff, but there's some stuff that I'm like, oh man, like I want to restock that. Like there's some washi that I wanted to restock and I can't right now because it's out of stock with the supplier. So anyway, I can't guarantee that any of this will be restocked or that I will have some if you don't purchase right when it goes live. So just keep that in mind, because I know a lot of people have reached out about the notebooks and stuff like that. And I don't really anticipate it selling out necessarily, but I also don't want to be like, no, it's not going to sell out, and then it sells out really quickly and I can't get more. So anyway, but I'm very, very excited about it. I'm very excited about this launch. I'm just like, the more stuff that I'm like buying for the shop and adding to my inventory, just it makes me so happy. And I love stickers and I love creating my own stickers, but there's just something about having like product on the shelves and like being able to get your order out to you basically like really, really quickly is just exciting to me. And I know I could do that with stickers. I could print and cut all of my stock and whatever, but it just, I don't know. There's something about like all the different products on my shelf right now that just make me so happy. So anyway, that's where we're at today. That's what's going on. I need to upload this video to get that done, and then after lunch I'm going to sit down and design the 2 daily duo kits that I have left and the monthly kit. And the monthly kit I'm gonna have to like I'm gonna have to size out and everything, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. It's not as simple as just changing patterns and colors like the others, but I can definitely get that done. And I think that's all. Let me check my Notion to see. I think that's all I have on my to-do list. I have upload vlog thumbnail, which is basically done, design daily duo 9, daily duo 10, daily duo monthly. Then I have to take the Instagram photos, do a TikTok and an Instagram reel, and then edit this vlog tonight. So yeah, I'm feeling and I have orders. I forgot. I got some last night that I want to get out. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about my shop and about my YouTube channel, and I'm just very, very excited right now about all of that. So yeah, I feel like I've been rambling for a long time. I'm gonna get busy. I will show you guys when I'm designing stuff, but right now I'm gonna go make sure I get this video up and ready to go for you guys. So I made myself a pizza for lunch, so I'm gonna throw that in the oven here in just a few minutes. I'm starving, so I'm like ready for it to be done. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You're so cute. We've got our pizza. I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch some YouTube and chill for a little bit, eat my lunch, and then we will get back to working. I did get all the orders cut. I just have to package everything. So eat this, then package, design, and we should be good to go. Time for an afternoon pick-me-up. I'm so sleepy today. Need some motivation today. If you guys want to know what tea I like to use in the afternoons, it is the Twinings English Afternoon. I really like this stuff. I actually really love the breakfast tea and the Irish tea as well, but I don't have any of those. So, and it's the afternoon, so I figured English afternoon, we're good. Gonna make some tea and hopefully get all the energy. I don't know where that came from. You guys, I really should have done my hair this morning. It is driving me mad. But anyway, I just finished packaging up the orders, which you guys saw. I tried to film a TikTok. I don't know how well that's gonna turn out, but whatever. And now I need to edit that so I can put that up. And then that is it. That is it on my to-dos for today. I didn't print all the new releases. I should probably finish doing that. But once I get those printed, then the only other thing I have to do today is edit this vlog. So it is 4:30. James is getting off at like 6, so I could probably have this mostly edited. I feel like today was just kind of meh for me. I'm just very, very tired. If you guys struggle with energy, like actually struggle with energy, what do you guys do? What helps you? Because I am eating pretty much super clean. You guys know that. And normally that really helps with my energy levels. But just the weather and the change in the season is making it very difficult for me to stay energized. Like I feel like I'm just yawning all the time. I'm constantly tired no matter how much sleep I get. And it's just really irritating me. Like I'm just like, this is so frustrating. I just feel like I'm getting stuff done, but I'm literally just dragging all day is what I feel like. I literally just feel like I yawn 24/7, and it makes it really hard to like want to work or to be excited about work when you're just dragging. So I would love to know, do you guys have any special tips, tricks? Is there like some special like energy drink that like just makes you not tired? Because I swear, like the past 2 weeks, I'm just like, I just want to close my eyes and sleep. And I'm getting all my stuff done. Like I'm still getting everything checked off my list, but I just feel like I'm being so slow about it. Like I just feel like I'm dragging and it irritates me. Yeah, let me know. I'm gonna try to get back on drinking like a gallon of water a day, because I did notice such a huge change in my energy levels when I did that, but I have not been good with my water. Like I have really not. So I need to get back on my water game. Yeah, anyway, all that to say, I need to go edit this TikTok. I need to start editing this vlog. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now so I can go edit this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this day in the life video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want a chance to win $25 shop credit. So, all right, I'm gonna go edit now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.